Hello everybody, welcome back to another Django tutorial. In this series, we're going to make a personal portfolio website page. We are using JavaScript, CSS file, and HTML file as frontend, and we can use Django as a backend. So, in this video, we're going to make a personal portfolio. Here is a navigation bar. You can click on each title of the navigation bar, you can jump to on its section. So inside my project, if you click on each on this project, you can edit and be coming for this project. So if you come back to the second section, we have got this project, and we can keep comment for this project. For example, this person wants to give message, so nice project, and submit this. And see, I've added this person as a minute ago, send this comment for this project, so nice project. So should come back and next section. Got this section about this developer, and I've got this service about the web developer, designer, and code dev. So this person, you can change this pick theme to this color. You can design this theme, select this color, change this color. We've got this context section, so want to send message for this for admin user, then please help me, and submit. So if we're going to log in to site administration, should add username and its password. So after login, we can get access to this database for this comment, this customer, the message, and this project database. So after adding new project, if you're going to add new project or respond to client message, you can respond. For example, we want to respond this message for his email address. Welcome. Okay, great. To respond the message and select this one, save this. So if we're going to add new project through browser, after login, we can access to add new project and inbox page. So this person, by the name this name, I've sent this message at this time. So I send the message at this time by this subject. So you can come back to home page, and you can design this portfolio by Django and HTML, CSS file, and JavaScript files. So let's get started and do it. The page should make a directory. You can write down mkdir, make a directory by the name of responsive. So this directory, we should jump to inside this place. So can implement this Django project. You can write Django admin start project. So by the name of portfolio, because we're going to make a portfolio project. Jump to inside this portfolio project by writing portfolio, search this one, portfolio. So inside this portfolio, we are going to make a new application by the name app. For this creating search this application rather than Django at the name start app by the name app. So we're going to add this this application inside our project, and we can use from tools / VS Code tool. For using this creator, we just write down code for that bit. To sign and open this project by this editor. So you can see this one is our project. We've got the setting for URLs and it's with WSG file. So skip. The first we should include our project inside this root URL. Can write on path and then make it as an empty string as a comma. Of course, this include your application inside this root URLs. Can write on include. So write on include. So we've got this include URL. So the setting.py file. We can add upload our project inside the installed app by the app. So close this one for registering our application inside our project. We've got this admin page, apps.py file, models, and views.py. So we do need to create a new file by the urls.py because the application linking application to Django project, we do need to make this urls.py file. So we can import from Django the URL. This path, you can write on path URL patterns. So I got this path. So it as an empty string. I got this views file. Right now, homepage of object, we can add this one. So from the current directory, you can import views file. Such this one. So come down. Inside is models.py and views.py. You can see we've got this homepage. You can define this homepage. Got this home. And by this request parameter, we can return to by this random function to this homepage or HTML template. So you can see I've got this object by the form.html. This one. So before making an HTML page, we do need to make these models. You can see this model, and for making a new database to link this database to Postgres database or MySQL database, we should make a class model. You can write down. I've got this class model by the project. We're going to create this project. So I've got this models dot model capital L. So you can see we've got this model class. We were going to add this attribute class inside this felt object. For this one, we've got this title. To modify this title, this one, models dot character field, and then we can select its max length because inside this database administration page, we can add character inside the maximum space. The first one and the second of part is thumbnail. We are going to make for our project thumbnail. You can see this thumbnail. This thumbnail is equal to this class model to model and image field. So for this one, of course, is null. This null is right and true. In a thumbnail for image. So we've got this body object or class attribute. So we've got this rich text upload. So we can select this empty string. You can see you can define it from dot. Which one from dot ck editor. And then ck editor dot underscore uploader dot field import this rich text uploading field rich text uploading field. So can copy. You can see from ck editor and import this. So from ck editor and uploader.fields we can import this rich text uploading field. So we've got this slack. Can you define this model stars slack false? Can select null true and blank true for the topics. So we can add detail inside the topics because we can select this null true and blank true. Create date. We can add the date time field, and we have got this ID models UID. We have got the file UID.UID. When a true primary key, you can select true and the table is false. So we can import this UID. We can write down import UID. So I've got this class model. We can define this class model underscore str underscore. We have got self formatted to the return by this formatted to self dot title. So we can add this title because we're showing this title inside the administration page. So I've got this first model class, and we can add the other model class inside this class model. We've got the second model class by the name of customer, because we're going to make a customer page and customer database. For creating the customer database, we can add this model class inside this model.py file. We can add this model. Then so we have got this class attribute. We're going to add this user because we've got this user defined inside the model class, and then this user should be exists inside many to many field. We can write down one to many field, or one to one field, or one to many field. For this one, we can add one to one field. So at this, we can add this user because we have got this user. And the one about this, discover this one, we can write down null is true. This one for the topic reason, we can select this blank as well true. And write down true. So we've got the first and So you should select this undulate. So we've got this undulate. I've got this models dot cascade. Select a cascade. So it should come down. We've got this name and the models dot character field. Can select is max length. It's max length should be around 200 character and 10 null as well. So I've got this email. So to models character field we can select is max length. So we can define this parameter. Can return to this name inside the class administration. So we've got other models class product. So we're going to make a product database. Can define models dot model capital M, and then we can define this one to search this. So we've got this name object. So we've got this price of this product. You can see, and the details digitally pushes, and we can add the image field for this product, and then we can define this product inside this class inside the administration page. So got the name equal to models dot character field. You can select the max length. I can select this price field space. We can select models dot float field, and digital purchase. We can select models dot boolean field. Default to false, null true, and blank true for both database. We can make this space. So we got this image fields for this product to add the image or the picture of this product inside the browser. For that reason, we can add this image class attribute to define this image field inside the database. So at the end, we can define this title name inside the administration or inside the database admin user or admin user database. So we should come down right here. So we can make this property. At property define this image URL or this parameter. Then try to add this URL as image of each user. Each URL add the image field for this image URL. Except this URL is empty, we can return to that user URL or the user path. So we've got this property, and you can see we've got this model class for product, customer, and project. We can make another class model for this product, customer, product model, and project model, and customer model. One other class model by the name comment, because user or customer can give a comment for the new project, new product, and can give suggestion or some question under this product or project, can give message on put any comment for product and give suggestion for this product quality. So for this, we can write down comment. You can see we've got this comment model. You can add the models dot model on capital M. So you can see, can define this class attribute. So we can add this with the name of project name, body, and so on. So you can see I've got this this body name and project. Inside this model class, we can add this project, which customer can give comment for this project, and then the name of who want to give a comment for this project, and the text field about this, the text area to put that comment or message, and credit which field, which time, the time of this comment. You can see, and can define this one. Define this str parameter, so we can return to set.body the text area or the space field of this body. We can give this value 0.50 character can be existed inside this body section. So you can see we have got this comment for project, and the name of who want to give comment, and body for text area, and date time of this comment. So after that, we can see this model class by the message. If someone else want to send message for admin user, so we should make this model class. I've got this message. This message we can pass by these models dot model. So take a look. We've got this logic: name, email, subject, body is read, credit for the time, and ID. You can see the name who the sender who want to send message, the name of this messenger. So want to send message, the email, subject, the issue of this message, and the body text area, the text field for this message is read. We have got this boolean field. Created the time field, we can select what to now and for date and time. Both of them, and we have got this ID. This class attribute just define the ID, the user ID, because this one is a class and this one is a both. Different types of users can to join to this page, and can purchase their own post want to buy that product. So for this one, we can add this ID. Models.uid field, default UID, UID4, unique true, primary key is true from primary key, so editable false. So come down, you can define this str. So this parameter, I've got this self, and this can return to here self dot name. This means this parameter just define the name of this message inside the admin user page. So inside the class administration, or inside the site administration. So short reviews, we have got this model class: project, customer, page text uploading, field. So we got this model customer and product, comment, and message for the two projects, which projects and product. So it's a time to make a migration and execute to verify this database inside the SQLite database. So for example, we jump to terminal, open new terminal, write down Python manage.py make migrations. So hit enter. I've got this model class, message, product, project, customer, and comment. To verify this database, let's write on Python manage.py migrate. So to execute this database model. So one more thing, we've got this rich text uploading. Got this CK from these models. We can import this rich text uploading field, CK editor uploader. For this, we can write down to install this and write down install CK editor or Django CK editor. Write down Django install CK editor and hit enter. This file will be installed inside your local machine. Got this one. So you can see about this model class. You should add the model class inside the admin page. Jump to inside admin.py. You can see, you can write down from.models. You can import the person and project, product, project, comment, customer, and message. Admin dot site dot register. Then add the list, the list for the knob, product. So admin dot site dot register and add project, and then admin dot site dot register, add this comment, the class, so you can add admin dot site dot register, add this customer, admin dot site dot register, add this message. So you should make super user. So we can write on Python manage.py create super user. Hit enter. So I want to select my username by the name easycodecam. Hit enter. Add password and then at gmail.com. Password. Hit enter. So can write in Python manage.py and server. Select your port 5050. Hit enter. Open the browser. So you can see the code is reverse not found. Is not the right function for the parameter. And so inside this navigation bar should come back to navigation bar because the code navigation bar to our project. Select this application bar. So for this time we can add this file number, add project. We will talk about this how to add a new project inside the browser. So refresh the page. Footer, so we do not any footer section. So we can comment this one. So we should come back to index.html. Okay. Comment for this one. Okay. Come back inside admin page. Select your username, execute camp, and password. Enter. You are inside this administration, so I've got this model class project for that message, customer, and card. So we'll talk about this model class. So the first one, we have got this project. You can see we have got this empty page. You can add a new project. To add a new project, click on new, add new project. So we should really was to secure CK editor upload. So we should come back to this setting file. Should add this CK editor and CK editor uploader and check allow it to add. We can add CK editor underscore upload underscore path is equal to content to CK editor. So we can refresh the page. You can see this function. Okay. Because we should add to this CK editor uploader. Come back to the setting file. Inside this setting file, you have got this static file. Should add this static files right here, and we should jump inside this root URL. Should add this CK editor right here. Can add path CK editor. Can include this CK editor uploader.urls. And we can refresh that page, add new project. So you can see the new title. We'll add a new project about Django with GPT. So add its picture. Add this image or new image. So we've got this new project, but I'm controlling with GPT. So in the body section, you can get description about this, about the description. So come down, we can add this thumbnail URL. Add its URL link inside right here. So can add selected width, size, and size, border space. After that, can link this picture with, and we can select this thumbnail. From this link another in this video, and so we should link this URL and www.image.com/coms. So right here we can add this picture, and can add this link in CRL. So after that we can add its slide. Great. Let's set this project. So we have got this product customer. This customer wants to buy this. So before should no product. This product new model cars price. Can select this price. So digital or no or less. No. Select this image and set this. So this customer wants to, for example, this user wants to text this person by this email address, wants to buy this product and comment. This user can, for example, new project, call control, can give a comment and send message about his new product and project. So we should come back to inside the browser, inside the home page. We should add this product and this project inside the browser. So we should come back to our project. So we've got this home page. Inside the views we've got this home object, home page, this object, and inside this main.html. So this home page we can extend this main.html. The first we should make a block content. Then write down block content. So the block content we're gonna to make a new section to add our project inside this section. So let's make a section for project. Can write down section. We can format this section by this class attribute by container. So we can format this section 11.2. So we can add this each tag element, each tree element, projects. We can add our project. So make this div by the name of projects. So inside this we can add this project. We can add this model class by name project. So before adding this project model inside this home page, we should jump inside the forms.py to make a project form. So we do need to make this file inside this application. And then forms.py. So come down here, but the first second then from dot models and import by the name of project product project and add this project. So come down, we have got this class project by the class project form. Button class project form. We can pass it by this model. So you can see I've got this project form by the project form, model form, You can write them from Django.forms. You can import this model. Let's see. So this model is equal to project. Got this project, and inside this field, which field we should add inside this project form. So this fields we can add the title. You can see this fields so is equal to the first we can write in title. So want to add the second object by the thumbnail. So this thumbnail, and we can add this body. So should come down. You can see we've got this class method. We can add this model and fields. We can define this. So and write down str. So you can define this in it. So we can define this in it file. First we can add this project form. Got the project. We can copy this project form and paste this project form. We can define this file. What is parameter? The self parameter can add this. So we got this self dot field for this field. Inside we can add this title. We got this title. We can make this field for the title. So class is equal to, we can define as full control, and the second field we can add this for body section. You can see got this body section. So we've got this project form. We should jump inside the views.py. You can see inside the views.py we can make a model. We can add a context dictionary inside this homepage. You can see we have got this home.html, and we can add this function dictionary inside this home section. For this one, we can jump inside the views.py. At the first, we can add this context dictionary. Write down context. So with this context, can write down context equal to. So we can add this projects. So we can define this project. And then project equal to project dot object, all objects. So we can write down from dot model. We can import project. So we've got this project. So we should come back inside this home.html. So you can see we've got this home.html to define this dictionary. You can add this for segment and for project and projects, because this projects we have got inside this views.py. So we can add inside this homepage. So we can write down div dot project column. So we can add this image. So for source we can add this project dot thumbnail dot URL. So you can format this classes equal to project thumbnail. Project thumbnail. So outside this div, can make this div dot, can write down inside this div project body and project open slash body. So we have got this h5 element. We can add this project dot title. Project title. So also this and for so we have got this if condition. You can see if we add a new project or the project inside the our homepage, this project will be happier inside the browser, inside the homepage. If we do not have any project, we can see this empty and this error message. There are no project in the details. So you can refresh this one. You can see my project that makes my journey network. So I've got this product by this project by controlling with GPT, and click on it, and we can edit this project inside the home, inside the browser. So we have got this home page. We've got this application bar. So we should come back to add a new project inside our homepage. So we can add this URL project.id. Refresh the page. So project ID. We just have one project. We can add this sign number. So you can add others to a project inside the homepage. So add new project. Select this title. Python Alpha. Django Python. Django model. Select this picture. Got this picture by Django. So the description. Django is Python framework. So the description. So I should come back to the browser. We have got this Django model, Python this. So we'll add this picture inside this homepage, so this section. We should come back to project. Inside the use.py, we can add this comment. So let's go ahead and make an navigation bar. First, got the directory for the nav. Inside the nav, can make this bar with the nav bar. .html. go to navbar.html. So come down, you can write a block content and end block content. You can say we're going to make an application bar, but at first we should add this header section. We call this header element. So we can write on header. Should change to Django template, HTML template. So call this header element. Inside this header section element, we can make this header section. But first we should add this div. Inside this div, we can make this logo span. So for this one, you can see we've got this each tag element. We have linked to this sign number. So at the end, we can make this span. And then span dot. You can format this logo text. So inside the span, we can add the second span for button. For example, you can see another span dot. You can see I can make this one. Can give this one for this one, and the second one for this. We will format was useful. So let's go ahead and make the second div. So we can make a head object. Can write on div dot header left. So inside this div, we can add cancel icon. Can write on div dot cancel icon. So inside this, and add this icon. You can format this one and can give this file flash. We can add this icon inside this cancel icon. So outside this div, you can make a user list. So you can see that this can add this div inside this. We have got your user list inside this. Here we can add this li, and then we can add the tag. And link with this file number. The best we can this. So we can duplicate this one. So the place one record this form. It's the kind of record this report, and the one record this contact section. And the last one we have got this. So add project. So I've got this user list. This is the title, and we can format this one in the next. So for this one, we can is the pattern. So you can link this file www.youtube.com/at easy code camera YouTube channel. So inside this button, you can format some target empty string. So we can format this button class is attribute. So we can add a bars. At a, we are going to add YouTube icons. And I can add YouTube icon. got this button. So inside this under this div, we're going to add a menu icon. So for this one, just click right here. We're going to make this big dot menu icon. So you can add this icon and format it FA solid, and we can select its icon FA. So we've created this navigation bar. We should include this navigation bar inside this homepage. So at the first, should make and create a new HTML template by the main template. So we got our main.html here and cut this one and paste inside this main.html. So inside this home.html, we can extend this one is main.html. So we can extend this main template inside this homepage. We can add content inside the content. We can add this hashtag element, and inside the main template, we can include this navigation bar. We can done include. So you can include this navigation bar. So now got this nav.html. Nav.html. So you can refresh our page. So I've got this navigation bar. So we should jump inside the CSS file and design this navigation bar. So we should come back right here. At the first inside this application should create a new directory by the name of topic. We've got this topic. Inside this topic, you can add JavaScript file, CSS file, and image. At first, you can write down style.css. So this is we've got the CSS file. Should come back this main template. You can add this link. So we should change to HTML file. We've got this HTML file, got this link. So we can add this URL, static directory. We can add this style.css so that we can link this CSS file with this HTML template. So we should jump inside the CSS file and format this navigation. So you can see I've got this header. We are going to format this header inside of it. We can select the background color to this color, primary color, and then we can select this button switch from the top and bottom. We can select it as the 20 pixel. So display this for content and space around, and then we can select align item. Align item should be the center of the page. Content should be the center of the page, and we can select the position. This position should be sticky. Select sticky, and then we can format top space with top 0. Select L0. This is space. And then we've got this header URL. Got this header section, this element, and we've got this user list. We're going to format this user list. Just copy this one, this header, come down right here. I've got this URL So you can select is display should be flex, and you can select list style. You know, if you got this list style to format is something, you can save it. So we can copy this user list. You can see we've got this user list. Inside this user list, we've got this LR. Got this LR. And format this list LI. So for this, I can select the margin from right, from top or from left, and from just select from right. And select 20 pixel. Excuse me, about 20 pixel, and then we can format this tag element. You can copy this one, paste here, tag element. So text decoration. For text decoration, you can select this decoration now. So you can select this color for this tag element. So I've got primary color or you can select this white color, primary white color. So come down. You can copy this one and this right here, because I've got this user list, list, I've got tag element. So we can select this hover, for this hover. So tab over, so can format its color. The first consider primary dim color or primary color. Can select dim color, primary dim color. Okay. So after that, you can see I've got this header button. Got this header, and inside this header, we've got this div button element. You can see this button. We are going to format this button here. So for formatting this button, you can see more than header button. So at the first, you can select this font size, font weight. You select font weight around 900, and then you can select padding space from the top and left around 10 pixels. Both of them, you can select the space, and you can select its background color. Background color is primary color. After selecting this background color, we can select its color. So you can select for primary color. Then we can select dim color. So after selecting, we can select the format its border for this button. It has got its own border. We can format its border. Pixel and solid, so we can select this primary dim color for this border. So after that, we can reduce this border. Border like this, and this border. So to 10 pixel, these errors. So after formatting this border, this you can see this format. So you can see what is header button and hover. So you can select the first cursor pointer and background color. Select this background color, primary dim color. You can select primary color for this hovers. So you can select this color to this row and the primary white color. So you can see you've got this logo icon right here. I've got this logo text. We're going to format this logo text. Just copy this one and within this right here, the first dot is the logo text. So let's select letter spacing. Spacing to quick start. After formatting, so we have got this header links. You can see I've got the header links. Just copy this header link and paste inside. So put this one, open this process. So and select the display legs. For display justify content. I've got this justify content. Just one space between. Select this space between for this header link. And align item. Got this align item. This item should be center of this page. After that, we can select the width size around 45%. So come down. I've got this menu icon. You can see we want to format this menu icon. Copy this one. So this here and select display none. So we've got the cancel icon. You can see this cancel icon right here. And format this cancel icon. Just copy this one and come down. This right here. So display. So you can refresh the page. You can see. So version not okay. Should come back to load static. We should add the load static. Right. And select load static. So should come back to the main.html and add this load static. What is load static? So inside the setting file, jump inside the setting file and add this load static file right here. We've got this load static URL, static file. You can the main CSS file from this cd.gs.cloud. You can download this one, and from this URL you can download the CSS file link, and then link to this main template. So we can copy and paste right here. So we've got this static file from static directory. You can import this start.css file right here. So we've got this start.css. We can import this URL. It's from Google APIs.com, and we can format this template margin 0 and 0 boxes, and you can say border box, font family, and this. So we can format this HTML, doc.html, this basic HTML, and format this one because we have got this doc.html, and format this doc.html inside this CSS file. So scroll the view, we can select the and we have got this root. We can format from the color, this color, format this, and we have got this header section, which we have designed and format this one inside the section. So we have refreshed that page. We can see this change to inside the browser. I've designed this application bar. I've got this logo side, and we've got this home section, code routes, contact section, add project, and util pattern. We'll design this one. So let's go ahead inside this home.html. Close this one, setting bar, got the navigation bar. So inside this main.html, home.html, and we can create a new file by the name of project.html. Project.html or home.html. So we can make another template by the name of message or contact.html. So this home.html inside this block content, we can make this container. You can see this container just define the second container by the second project container. This project container can show all the projects and products inside the separate container. So we should make a row. Inside this row, we can add this total. So the first should make this for statement. We're going to make a product section. This for statement can define this product inside this products, because we have got this product function inside this list.py. You can see products equal products project or products dot objects dot. So after that, we can add this product inside this so yeah, the first should make an image thumbnail. So we've got this thumbnail. Source is equal to this function dictionary by the name product dot URL, product image URL. So after that, we can see this product image inside this browser. So should make this container or this section by the name of home element. So you can see this div for this product. So inside this div, inside this element, we can add this title. This title just describe about the title of this product. We can add this dictionary by the product dot name or product. You can add this product's name. So these product names will appear inside the browser. You can see this product inside this project, inside this HTML page. So in this view, we can add this project image. We want to add this project thumbnail or this project image. So source is equal to image project dot thumbnail. So dot URL. So after adding its thumbnail image, we can see this dictionary. So we can add inside each tag element, we can add this variable by the name of product.title. We can add this product title inside this section. So after adding this product title, we're going to make this button and go tag can dot btn primary. So this time we can add this sign number. We will link this title in the next. So for this time, we can edit. We're going to edit this product and put this project inside this homepage. So we'll talk about how to edit a project through HTML through this project page. So we've got this HR, horizontal line. After that, we can add this project body. After adding this project body, we have got this dictionary to add inside this project page. So we can make another div by the name of comment container. This comment container for that reason, if someone else want to leave a comment for this project or this product, you should make this space, this field for comment. This one just show the number of comments. So we can add this. You should come back this project page. You can define this one. We can add this project and product. You can define this dictionary, because we have got this context dictionary. So this context dictionary, we can add this project, product, and this count variable. So this count label project dot comment dot set underscore set dot count, the number of comments. So we can define and we can add inside this context this object count. You can pass by count. After that, you can see we have got this if condition. You can see, so we should make a comment, got this count, and I've got this comments. This comments is equal to projects for project comment dot comment. It's called set dot. So we have got this object. You can define. This just modify the project comments inside this template. You can add this created / created. You can add this. So you can add this object inside this dictionary. Got this comment inside this page, and we can define this one inside this context dictionary, because these comments will be appear inside the project page. For each project, we can make a separate space and separate field to define this comment inside this function. So we have got this form. This form is equal to comment form. You can see you can add this form. We're going to make a side form. This form, this comment form, should be calculated inside this function. So should come back to forms.py. We should make this class form, and we can class comment form and pass by this model form. Got this comment form, so you can see, and we can pass by this model form. After that, we can define this model class. So for comment database, we should make this form by comment form. We can add this class method. This class method define this model and fields. You can see the first this model should add the model. The class we have got by the name of comment. This comment, you can see we have got this comment model. This model define this comment and this field. This fields, for this fields, we can add this object for this fields. You can see all the fields underscore all underscore. You can add for this field. This field is equal to this all of this. So we can add this exclude. This exclude for these models. We can add the models by the name of project. We're going to make this project comment section. So we can define this widget. The first one by the name of comment form and self.field. The first one for name and the second field for body. You can see inside the string we can add this body. So after creating these widgets, we come back to this views.py. You can see form is equal to comment form. And we can add this form inside this context dictionary. So after adding this object inside this dictionary, we would be able to make this comment section which user or client can leave comment and message and send message. So we have got this if condition. Another if request dot method, this method is equal to post method. I've got this capital letter post method, so we can save this form. And you can add this dictionary form is equal to comment form, and after that, after this request, this form will be saved inside the database. You can write on request.post. So, and we have got if this the form is valid, we have got this condition for this form. If this form is valid, this form will be saved inside the database. If this form is not valid, we can return to project.html or this homepage. So form comment is equal to forms.set. We can add this object by the name of comment. This comment, so you can see form is equal to false. So after that, we can return, we can add this comment. This comment object is equal to this comment dot project. This project comment is equal to project dot equal to project, and we have got this comment dot save. Can save this comment, and we can receive a success message. This means if someone want to us to leave a comment for this new product project, after saving and after leaving a comment, and that comment will be saved inside the project and will receive the success message for that comment. Canada, your comment successfully was successfully received this success message for validation of this message. So you can import the message from this. So we'll back to project. So we have got this horizontal line and add this element. After that, we have got this p-tag element. We can add this dictionary. This dictionary just define is about just define this project or product. So project dot body. So this project dot body we can filter with as this one. And we can save. So we can add this form. You can see we're going to make a form. We have got this form. So we can delete this one. We can write down method is equal to post method. So inside this form, you should add this CSRF token for security reasons. After adding this CSRF token file, we have got this for statement. You can see you can write them for field inside this form. We have got this form.py. Inside this form, we have got this form widget for field and form. Got this field, and inside this form, we have got this field by the name of home, body, and comment form. You can see inside this, we can add the first one and write down this div. Inside this div, we should make this label. We can add form label. So let's look at form label, and we can make this label for this. So after we can write type is equal to submit. For is equal to example input password. So you can add this dictionary fields dot label. This field label can add inside this. I've got this field label by the name, body, and from control. You can see you can add this dictionary inside this label element. After that, we can add this field dictionary because we have got this field inside this from.py. Outside this for segment, we can add this input element. So for important element, we have got this input element. We can format this one, try to submit, and cross attribute between primary, and we can give a value for this one. This value is submit. So and for this input element, this element just define the form, and outside this form, we can make this for statement. This for comment inside comments. You can see we've got this comments object inside this views.py. You can see we've got this for segment. You can see for comment inside the comments, we can add this card. So I'm going to make a card section. After that, we can add this card body. This card body can add this dictionary inside this each tag element. This dictionary would be about comment name. So we can add this comment name inside this, and we have got this element by the small element. Inside this small element, we can add the second dictionary by the comment body. We can add a comment related the date time of this comment. So we can add this timestamp for the time of this comment. So we can add this. After that, we make this p tag. We can p, and add this class attribute. This attribute, we can add this comment body. You can see it's comment body. So inside this views.py, should make a object by the name of add project. We're going to make this section for adding a new project to this project page. Inside the browser, we can add project, new product, and so on. So after I define the add project, we can return to this function dictionary by new project for this project in HTML. You can say this project with HTML will be inside the homepage. So we can add this context dictionary to define all the object inside this views page. Useful. So we've got this context dictionary is equal to, we're going to add all the object. So the first one, we've got the form, we've got this form object. This form is equal to project form. So we can add this form inside this homepage for project form. So you can see this form as equal to project form. We've got this if condition, and by then if request dot for this project form, and so you can write that if this request method is equal to post, we're going to make and if we're going to post a new request, and right then we can add this form object is equal to project form, and we can add this request dot post. So after request post, we can add this request dot false. We can add this parameter inside this parentheses, and then we can save this form. We've got the second condition: if this form is valid, we can receive success message, or we can save this form inside the database. And if this form is valid, after that, can save this. So we can redirect to homepage after saving this form. So you can see we can add this redirect to right here. After that, we can back to project form. Inside this project form, we can make this block registration, this block content. After this block content, we're going to make a container form. For this, so we can make a container to make a total, and then we can make a form. So in this container, we can add the project title and then make a section form. We can add the methods such as post methods and get methods. So I've got this project by the project form inside this h3 tag element, and then we can make this form. At the first, we can give a title for project form, and then we can make this form element. This form defines the section we just make for our project, and we can give a post method to this form should be be more secure, and we can send all data from frontend to backend, such as Django. And type and select multi-port. So after this multi-port, we can add this form data attribute. And so this form element, you can see we can add this CSRF token for security reason, because we're going to make our project more securely to be for frontend. So we can add this for variable. After that, we can add this row. Inside this row, you can see we have got this for statement. And then for field, inside this for, we have got this field object. Inside this form.py, we've got this widget, name and body. You can see inside this for statement, we can add this variable. So inside this div and format mb-3, we can add this label. So we can give this attribute by the form label. So class is form label, and for we have got this example import password. We can give this attribute. So inside this label, we can add this form variable. You can say by field dot name or label, because we've got this field widget inside form.py, and then we can add this field variable inside the label. Outside this for statement, we can add this input element between primary or format result. And we're done. So I can select to text, and value we can give this value and then submit. We can add this input element or adding data inside the browser. So after that, this part, the first by the number add project. So inside the view.py, we have got this object by the name add project. So we can run our project. We should run the server. Python manage.py to run server for running our project. So we have got this port. So this view.py, we have got this object. So we've got this URL, you can copy. Awesome. Yeah, there you go. I have the URL, you can use from here. So for this time, you can see inside the .html, we're going to make this section. So at the first, we've got this project quickly. So the view.py, you can see I've got this object by the name of edit project. Create a project. For this time, we can edit this project. So we make this object by the name of edit project. After by this function dictionary, we can return to this template. So you can see when I done return random function dictionary, you can add a request. Through this request, you can enter inside this project HTML. So for this one, we can add this context dictionary to add and modify all the object inside this view.py inside this context dictionary. You can see we have got this project. This object is equal to this project model. All the objects of the model can be existed inside this
So authenticated, you can add the ID of the number of project. I'm going to edit so the browser with this one the ID is about to picture. So what's contents? This project contains body project. You can see. So for this one, you should make a form. You should define it in the form. So got this form object, and this form is equal to project because we have got project member class inside this also keyboard. What is sample? Current instance is equal to project. It should be a capital. The lower is the lower. So we can add this form object inside this dictionary. So I've got this condition for this project. And if this is equals method is equal to post method. This means we want to send this form securely from frontend to backend, such as the Django. We can write down this form should be this is this one. Is equal to, you can copy and paste this project form. So second condition, got if this form is valid. After adding this form, project form, if this form is valid, we can save this form inside the database. After saving this form, we can return directly to the host. You see, and we can return directly to the host. We've got this form template in homepage. So you can see this homepage. So we should fix this error inside the same name. Got this, so performer, come back to and edit. We can link this edit to its URL because we're going to edit this project. Can add this back and edit project. Can make that URL. I can make this URL path. Got this path. Can edit project. Got this edit object. Edit project. So come back to this edit and then edit project. After linking this object to edit project, you can add a project ID, the number of projects we're going to edit inside the project. After adding this path, you can see I've got an edit project. Got this part inside this service.py. So if we close the demo 7, you can see the same project. So you can see you've got this project and project, and link this URL. You can publish. So project result UID should be fixed. So for this project, the number of the project direct ID. So HTML. Come back to this. So can publish the page. You can see this. You should format this array. You should write the get object, not all object. Get object. So here about this section, we should fix the problem. What is a common fault? Come back to things.py. We should remove the space. You see, we can write on the server. You can see this project. Okay, the date. Click on the project, click on the date, and then get code for this project. So, for some reason, the comment with this project, the first should write the name and then put the message or comment inside this body space and submit this comment to save for the user. So you can see the code is home page, and we can rerun the server. So we have got this object model, come back to the navigation bar, you can see. So inside the navigation bar, add the project, we should link this homepage to the then you can add this URL and add this homepage. So this cannot add project. We're going to add project inside the person. You can add this project as URL. You can write an URL as URL. So that's this one. We've got this path plugin to add project. So the thing is you can add this URL. Add project. So home, not found, come back to homepage because we have got the HTML template plugin at home. So inside the URL homepage, we write down name home now. Name is equal to home. So write down home. Name is equal to home. Now we should fix this problem. We should come back to the page. This another name is equal to. So can we refresh the page? You can see this home page, notification bar. So come back and destroy this project. You can see the project content. You can format the project and install this and synapse with margin analyzer. So you can refresh the page. You can see this one, and then the project with the comment for this project. Come back to homepage. So for this time, we're going to need a header section. Beside the HTML template, got this header section. You can open header section. Inside the header section, we're going to need this title. I don't feel text. This big inside this header, we can add this title. So you can write down this tag element. So we can add this title by default, and then we can add this tag element and make this span with this icon. And see, span dot logo. Going to add this logo text. What is done? You can see I've got the one span, and we're going to make another second span. Can double span. Can format this span the way I can for the span. Inside this span, you can add the logo and the web title. Sometimes this person has been singing. We can give this format with this title. So you can see we can add this paragraph. Then we can give format span. So inside of the tag element, you can see the corner to make a paragraph. But add the name title. So then HT tag element inside this element, we can add this sentence. For example, I need this person and can add this span. I can give style for span, repeat text for span. So if I remove this space or this slash, after that, yes, we hit the dash. So you can see, and then this are in our toolbar and YouTuber or frontend or designer. Exactly what type of data we're going to add inside this element, span element. You can add this line span. After that, you want to make this social icon. Create this social icon. Inside this social icon, we're going to add this instant element, embedded element. The top is we can make it empty, it is blank. So then add social media account inside this social account. We can add this icon. It is brand and FA. So first one we're going to add the icons of Facebook or Instagram and Twitter. And the first one we're going to add this Instagram and icon inside this social account. Then Instagram. This one is the can copy and paste. Second, going to add Twitter or Threads or other social media again. So can again GitHub icon inside this social icon, and we can copy this one and paste the what is adding the second social icon. So for linking icon, can add this icons inside this social icon. So after formatting this social icon, can come down below, make this digital element. So static element you can see. This static element is equal to about, and you can add this button between. So you can see, can add this static element right now. So after adding this button with this social icon, outside this section, then add the image section. Can give this image like this, image div. So we can server party manage.y and server to see this header section. So you can see I've got this header section in here. We will see and do that, and step header and YouTuber. So you can give format in the style by CSS and JavaScript. All of these CSS and JavaScript are so this GitHub page you can download from my GitHub page. I will share this link inside the description of this video. You can download this file, this JavaScript file and CSS file from GitHub page. So you can see inside this GS file and add this title for JavaScript. So first step we can retrieve the first results, which is so for this concept is multi element and format system, which was prepared. What is function type? All of these JavaScript services inside the GitHub page. Come down it from the GitHub page and use it. So come back to main.html. Inside the main.html, you can add this script file. The name is HTML template with JavaScript. So come back to home.html. Outside this section, I'm going to make another section. You can see I've got this start this section by the name of service section. The service section gonna design this section. This service section we can add inside this template. So can div section classifies the service section, can add this title by the name of most service. After adding this, so can add this span below span, format this title, then span classifier to below span, and we can add this service and under below we can return under this statement, and then we can add this second service by the name of service costs. We want to make costs container for this service section. Then is equal to service cost container, and we can make it the second section by the name of service code. Inside this service code, you can see you can add the social media icon inside this code. So, our tag element, we can format this and class will be equal to FA, FA, and we are going to add the icons of birds inside this code section. So, we can add this full element. Protection can be more important than membership. See? 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 So inside this OL element, you can add this L element and this stack element to add this title. Second, by the IM, you can add this span below. Then, giving this span for this title, you can write in IM and developer. IM and developer. And then make this title. I also can add this span element. The value for this span, then this span plus equal to blue span. Inside this second span, you can write in IM also if for span your edit. So you can refresh the page and see all empty, but also empty. So you can add this element inside this for an element. So now then label, want to make a label. So if environment, convert on this strong element. So for this style, you can format this one. So we can make this strong element. So this element you can see after adding this object inside this these two elements. When I'm done, add experience of this designer, add this total revenue software engineer, and copy and paste for return. So the first one and the second one. For them, can add this and can be format for this ribbon and to ribbon material and designer of frontend below. So after adding this format inside this section. So the place, number, location, and so on. You can add inside this section for your view graph. So last one is YouTube. You can add the link of your YouTube page in this sphere. Type in a name, is that is equal to add the link of your YouTube page inside the page graph. Write on www.youtube.com/ @easycodecamp. This one is my YouTube channel names. Using podcast. So after adding this section, you can see you can make the second list element. Can add the visible annotated element is equal to, so we can add this target link. So inside this we can add this button. Can push the page, you can see this button. So we can push the page for the second time. You can see this section. So after that, then add other element inside this section. At the last section, we're going to make contact section. This contact section is linking with forms, with database, and with model class. And I done cross contact section ID and this contact. So inside this section, This one is so important. I'm going to add this title first by my contact page. So we can get span for this title. We expand to format this title because this one is crucial, and we can format from this page. So can add this contact. In this section, we're going to make a form, contact form. This contact form is very important for user and for other person. So this one is a contact page. Can remove this action. So close the contact form. Inside this contact form, we are going to make a method, post method, because this post method is so useful for developer. This one for security reason, and we can format this because this post method can send all the information securely from front end to back end, such as Django database. And this time we're going to make this div and can add this label. This label you can see can add this title, for example, password or is equal to. So class can get format and install this label from label. After adding this label, inside the label we can add any form variable, for example dictionary or other variable. So at this time we can leave it as empty variable, and we will talk about this one. So under this div we can add this input element. So we can format this, which is primary for formatting this input. So we can write down type is equal to submit, and we can submit this type, and we can add this value. This value is equal to submit. Submit is better. So after that we can add this. So we come back to this comment. Got this comment inside this form that we want. You can see. So this inside here got this comment. So for this time we should make this class model body message form. It's very important to make this form by the message. So model form create model form. You can write in class method. After class method, you can see we've got this model. To add this model, the model object is equal to message, because we have got this message model class inside the this material. We come back to can see the input from dot model this message. And write down capital M message. To add this message, we should make this one message. After that, we add its field. This field of all fields, all fields, underscore, all underscore. So that's the simplest. So we can exclude the model class. So for this time, we can load object present is with this message form is made. So we can add this into this fields and this widget. You can see generate set this parameter, separate the message field. You can add this set parameter. So this set dot values, the first one for name, subject, what we call this from control. Insert this. So you can use this terminal. We've got this form class inside this instructor and then this instructor. So for this term, we should define this object inside this use. Can define this message because we're quoting message. Can define the message page. There is a parameter as a request parameter. So after defining this message page, define this forms this comment this message. So we can return this dictionary to HTML template like message.html or form comment.html. So for this time, select this message.html. So I'm going to make this HTML template by name HTML message.html. You can add this context dictionary to add the object inside this dictionary. So I'm the context is equal to message. So we can go to message, can pass this message, pass the message within message object. After adding the message inside the dictionary, we can make a form. You can see, can write down this message is equal to this object. So this message is equal to message in capital M. Convert the message dot all the object of the message or give the object of the message. Like all objects of the message because of course this model class inside this, and select this get message by this ID. This ID is equal to primary key. And add this primary key inside this. So we can import this message from message from model.py. We can import this message. You can see this message, and we can define this message, this second message. So you can see if we add this message is read, if this message is read, sometimes this message, and we can select this message. If this message is true, we can save the message inside the database. After saving the message inside the database, you can see inside this home.html. This format is about the common message page. Constant. I've got this for statement. You can write down for field inside this form. Because we have got this form. I've got this form. But this field and inside this form subject for field in form. So you can cut this bit and paste inside this or segment. So you can see you can add this field variable inside this label is field.label, and we can add this field variable inside this in this view. So This one is a form section, a message section. Come back to use.py and insert this HTML service template. We should make a new HTML template by the message.html. So this time should extend the main template by the main.html. Should load static file inside this template page, and we should make this blog content, to add the blog content, to add all the HTML file inside this blog content. After making this blog content, we can add this dictionary. You can see the tag is full name. Can add message.name, change to HTML format. So you can see the tag element name is full name message.name. So for title, you can add second tag element for email. Label, you can contain message.email, because the code is filled by the email field. And for the can add this horizontal line. After that, you can add this tag element for body section, for body space. You can add this variable by the message.body. So after adding these variables inside, then inside this template, come back to the URL. You should add this part. So to show this message inside this object, this message page inside the HTML template, we should add this random function dictionary to show this object inside the HTML template. You can see, can return. Then by this random function, we can add this parameter such as request parameter, and we can add this HTML template by the name of message.html. We should make this template, this HTML template inside the template directory. So for this time, we can add this context. This context is a dictionary. This context dictionary modify all the object inside separate section. You can see, we can define the message, we can pass by this message object. So we can show this model class by the name of message model class, which we have got inside the model.py. We just modify this model class by this variable. We have got this message, kind of the message is equal to message message model class all objects of this model class. So we can add this get objects by its own ID or identification by this problem key. So we can add this problem key inside this. We can import this object and this model class from. So we can import this message from this model class. So scroll down, we can add this message object and then the message dot is this message is read, message dot is read is true. We can save this message inside the database. Another message dot save this message inside the database. So we can
save this message. After saving this message inside this database, we can come back to this home template. Done this for segment. For field inside the because we have got this field inside the form.py. For field inside the form, you can see forms.py. I've got this field by the name of name, email, object, and body. So we can add this statement. So we can cut and paste this inside this statement. We have got this label, so we can add this form variable. Field dot label, and we can add this dictionary field inside this div element. So after adding this dictionary and form variable inside the form statement, we come back to this list.py. So as I said already, we should make a template by the message.html inside this template directory. We can create this message template by the message.html. So we should extend the main template by the main.html. We should make a block content to add all the objects inside this block content. Before, we should add this load static to add static files inside this template. So we've got the block content and in block content. You can see inside this content we can add all object and all the field, all the element inside this. So you can see we've got this p-tag element. We can add this variable by the message.name, and you've got the second. So we should change to HTML template. So we can add this p-tag. Each tag, we should make the second p-tag. This p-tag element, you can see we can add this second object by an email. This email has got its own object, own variable by the message.email, because we have got this field by the email field inside this form.py, and we can add this horizontal line. Under the horizontal line, we can add this p-tag element. This field for body space. You can see you can add this variable by the message.body. This one is a field for message, for email, and for mail object. So we should jump to inside the terminal. Before jumping inside the terminal, we should add this URL by the name of message inside this URL.py. So we come back this object. We've got this URL. You can see we can run our server. Can run Python manage.py to run this application inside the browser. For this one, we can write on message.py run server to see the result of this project. So should I push the page, you can see we have got this second section by the contact. This contact, and there's a section. You can see should come back to the use.py. We should add this object to show this object inside the browser, because we have got this form by the name of message. You can write down form is equal to message form, because we have got this message form inside this forms.py. This form message form is a field, and this form can show all the object on all the fields for this contact. So can see, got the context dictionary. We can add this form, can pass this form by this form object. So we can refresh the server, and before jumping to the browser, we've got this condition. If this request.message or if this request method is equal to post method, because we can save our project by this post method. This post method just send all the data from frontend to the backend securely and save inside this database. So we can open if this form is valid. After receiving this validation message, we can save this form inside the database. Forms.save, and we should receive our addition message. Message.success. So this success message, we can add this message of message.success. So inside the process, we can write down this parameter. After by this parameter, you can see we can receive this message. Well, message successfully saved inside the database. So after saving this message, and after receiving this message, the successful message, we can see the result. So we should refresh the page. After refreshing the page, we can see this section. The first object, name, email, subject, and body, and we've got this submit button. So you can write down, we're going to send this message to the admin user. Write down the name, email, subject, and the message. After writing this message, we can send. Before sending, we should submit to send this message for admin user. So you can see I want to join this class tomorrow. So and submit. You can see this section, this contacts, and this section should jump inside the admin page. So click on admin. We should add the username and password. So add the password of this username. We can enter and log in inside the site administration. You can see I've got this database whether I'm comment, customer, message, product, and projects, and we've got these users. So you can see this message. You can add this message. So I'm an admin user. I want to leave a message for all other services, for other customer, client. For this reason, I want to leave a message inside the server. Our client can see this message from admin user. So for this one, we can add this message, name, object, and email, and a message. So can save this message by the this person. So we should come back to the browser. So we've got this contact page. So we can scroll down the contact section. You can see we've got this project form. Want to add this message. So you can see we've got this section to add a new project. So we should refresh the page. We come back to this views.people, you're going to make inbox page. This inbox page is a section. This one is such as database to save all the message inside its own database. So you can see we can define this inbox page. So we can return to this template by the index inbox.html. Should make this HTML template by the inbox.html. This inbox.html can store all the message and comment inside this template. So we should extend the main template by the main.html, and after that we can save all the message and comment inside this inbox page. So we can make this blog content to add all the object inside this content. You can see we have got this section and add this title by the h3 and h5 element, and we've got this table by the of this table. We can format this table by the table dot and table is right to format this table inside this inbox page. We are going to make a table, one for head title and second one for body. So inside this head table we can make this table head, and we can make this tr element, this tr element for table row, for the second one for sender message, and the first one and the second one for subject, and for the last one for body section. For date time we can make this date sent. So we've got this table row. Under this table head we're going to make table body. Inside this table body we've got this this statement. You can see we can define this statement for object. You can see inside this views.view have got this object by the inbox page. So we should make a context dictionary, and we have got inbox object. This inbox object is equal to message. This message is a database. This one is a model class. Then write down inbox is equal. This object is equal to all the message or the message. So message dot all the other boy is read this message. So after adding this object inside this context dictionary, we can show this inbox page inside the browser. So you can import this message from models.py. After adding this object inside this context dictionary, we should make a context dictionary to show this this object inside the inside the inbox template. So for this one, we're done. We have got the second object by the name of unread count. This unread count for message. So it's equal to this message object. We can add this filter for this message object. We can add this. Is this message object filter is read? Is read is false? Can add this dot counts, you can add the number of message. So I've got this context dictionary. We should add these two objects inside this dictionary. So we can write down context dictionary is equal to, the first one should pass this inbox by this inbox object, and the second one for this unread count. This unread count is an object to define all the unread message inside this own dictionary. So unread count to pass by this. So inside this for statement, which we have got inside this inbox template, you can add this variable by the unread count. So can write down unread count message inside this title, and the second object we have got inbox object. So can write down this statement for message inside this inbox page. For message we have got an object inside this inbox page. Inbox is an object. We've got this condition. If this message is read, so we can add this table row. This table row, maybe the first one we've got this condition else. So we should format this message. You can see we've got this condition. We can add this table row. We can add the second table row. We should format this table row. Give a style for this table row. Such this one, you can select as font width as you can see font width should be 800 and 900. So after formatting this table row, we can add this object inside this table row. You can see and we have got end of condition. We can make this table TD element. We can add this variable for the message.name for the person for message.name, and we can duplicate this one. The second one, we can select this table so TD element. We can add this href element, this annotate element, to link this variable with another page. So we should add this variable by the message dot. So we have got this condition for this message. You can see inside this message dot object, we've got this variable to add the last variable by the message dot body and message dot created type. You can see we've got this created type for this message. This condition just declare the date time that, and we can add this context dictionary, and we can add its URL inside this URL.py. This URL for inbox object, because inside the views.py we have got inbox page. To add this URL, and we can add this name is equal to this object by the inbox. So you can add this for inbox, and inside this inbox.html and views.py we have defined this object. Inside this main template, we've got this condition for this message, because this condition can define the situation of this message. This means if we add this condition for the message, we can add this statement. This statement just define this object inside this model class by the name of message. You can see for message, inside this message, inside the visual view, we have got this object by the name of message. So inside this message model class by the message, we have got this inside this object by the name of message. After adding this statement for the message inside this main template, you can format this element to add a variable by the name of message. First, we should add this alert message. You can format this div to alert message. Sometimes want to add new message. You should receive a message for sending our message to which we can add this message. So after adding this message inside this template, inside this views.py, you can see edit project. We should add one object by the name for. We do not need to add the second object by the project inside this edit project. We should remove this project from this context directory. Just add one object by the name for. And inside this message.html, this template by the message, we can add this message by the name, object, and data. So inside this inside the URL, you can add this path for this inbox page. So inside the template, you can see we have got this root URL. We can add this admin page. We can include this application, and then we can add this SCADA2 to include this SCADA2 upload file, and URL buttons. We can add this media route and static route. This media route and static route, just we can add this URL buttons to add static files, and we should define this URL and this media route inside this setting.py. You can see I've got this static URL, and we've got this static files._ directory. So we can join this path by this operating system to add this base directory, and we can add this static file. So we should import this operating system to fix this error. After adding this static file directory, we can store all the static file inside this directory by the name of static file. On the left side, you can see we've got this file as a PNG or JPG format. We should store this file inside static directory. So we can run server py manage.py run server. You can see we've got this contacts, this homepage, and this section by the context. This contact section, through this section we can send message to admin user. After adding the name, email address, subject, and writing our message. We can submit this message to send to the database. After saving this message to the database, admin user can access to this message and can read this message, and we can edit the project. So we should sort this error. You can see base project and scope form.html, because we do not have a directory by the name base. Should remove this base, should jump inside of this.py to remove this base and slash. You can see inside this edit project, we should remove this base. So we have got this project for this template. Through this template, we can add new project, then edit the project. So we should submit this project, add new project inside the browser. We have got this new project by the name Django and go do it. So inside this this.py, we have got this edit project inbox page. So this project form, we have defined this project to edit. You can see inside this project.html, if we're going to edit the project, we can add condition for editing this project. This condition just define this. If request user is authenticated, can edit this project, else can access to this object. The number of count, message, you can see we cannot edit this project for this time. We should log in to site administration to edit this. So we should add username and password to log in inside this admin page. So after login to the site administration, we can edit the project. We can add new project. We can access to inbox page to read the message and comment. You can see so on the navigation bar, I've got home, add project, inbox page, and contacts. Now we can edit this project because we have added this condition for editing this project. If we remove this condition, we can access to the project to edit and add new project without any condition, without any login to the site administration. You can see we've got this condition for add the project for accessing to inbox page. You can remove and add this condition with this object. So inside this administration page, we can log out. After log out, we cannot access to inbox page, or we cannot edit the project because we do not have any permission to edit and add new project. So you can see inside this navigation bar, you can add this condition for this navigation bar as well. To add this condition for this, you can see now we cannot add new project If we log in, we can add new project. Without login, we cannot add new project inside the process. So you can see we've got this models, topics, common, customer, message, product, and project. And we can add new project through browser. So it is an inbox template. I've got this statement for this message name, object, and so on. So inside the browser, if we click on the inbox page, we can read this message, and we can access to unread message inside this an inbox page, because we have logged into this site administration, and we have got permission to read this message at the inbox page. So, and now we can add new message to save this message inside the inbox page. You can see this person point happy, send this message by this email address to the site, to the admin site. So we can add new project. We can delete the project through this process. If we log out, after logout, you see, you can add new project within Django database. We can add its thumbnail, picture, and can format this description by this CK editor files. And after formatting, we can submit to add this new project inside the browser. Thanks for watching.